Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm gonna be showing you how to make use of TokenPay on SatoWallet app. First, we're gonna have to visit the website SatoWallet.com right here, and then there are three versions of the app. That is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and the PC version. Well, they have the same interface, so we're gonna use one of them. I've already installed the PC version and signed in, so we're gonna use the PC version right now. And here's the PC version. All you need to sign in is an email address and set up a password, then you're good to go. And this Google Auth, it's a Google Authenticator. It's another layer of security that protects your funds. And these are the list of coins available on the app. Well, we're gonna look for TokenPay right now, and okay, TokenPay. Okay, it's right here. Okay, TokenPay is $1.5. Okay, and you can use the search bar here to search token. Yeah, okay, TokenPay, and then click on TokenPay. Wow. This is the amount I have, my TokenPay amount, 320.4 TokenPay, which is equivalent to $489. Well, this is the list of transactions, and so if you want to send TokenPay to someone, just click send right here and type their address and the amount you like to send. Says 24. Okay, 24 is equivalent to $26.6. If you want to decrease, you can just click here, and if you want to add, you can click here. Well, this is the amount of fee deducted, and this shows in dollars and this shows in TokenPay. You can add a comment, say for example, and then click on transfer, and your transfer will go. And if you want to receive, then the person you're receiving from will scan your barcode, this barcode right here, or use your address. And then, well, this is pretty much about sending and receiving. So we're gonna move to swap coins. Okay, swap coins from currency to currency, and then amount to swap. Then we're gonna choose a coin. Okay, we're using TokenPay, so we're gonna look for TokenPay right now. And okay, TokenPay. Here I would say okay, and then to currency we're gonna look for, say, okay, this ignition coin. Say okay. So let's say we want to swap 23 TokenPay to this ignition coin. Okay, this 23 TokenPay is 25 USD, and 23 TokenPay is equivalent to 80.0 TokenPay ignition coin. Sorry, and here is the amount of fee deducted. Then you click your swap if you want to, and go on with your swapping. And this is pretty much about swap coins. And then let's move to exchange. Exchange, this is the market. These are the list of coins you can exchange with. So TokenPay is okay, TPAY. TPAY, BTC to TPAY. Okay, this is the data list of transaction trade between BTC to TokenPay just for today on SatoWallet. Wow! And this data refreshes every 24 hours. every 24 hours new data coming. So this is the these are the bid and these are the ask. This is the total, and then okay, let's see how this thing works. Amount in TokenPay. If you want to buy, this is if you want to buy, and this is if you want to sell. Okay, let's say amount in TokenPay. Let's say 23 TokenPay. Amount BTC price is say okay. Let's say 23 as well, and this is the amount in dollar as well. So if you want to sell, say 34.45. This is just an example. If you want to sell, you click sell. If you want to buy, you click buy. Okay, then if you click either one of these things, you're making an order. So let's go to my orders, but I haven't made any order yet. So the order, there is no order here. If I made an order, then the order will probably show up here, and if I want to cancel the order, then there will be a cancel button right here, and then I will cancel. And this is the history, the trade history between BTC and TokenPay. Okay, the type are the buys and sells, the price and the amount right here. Okay, let's move to currency. Okay, fiat currency. Right now I'm using USD, so I'm going to show you how to change from one fiat currency to another fiat currency. Let's click on this, and well, it's a long list of currencies, so we're going to choose one. Let's look for one. Okay, let's look for this. Use this NZD. It's gonna take some seconds to change, and when it changes, it will notify you right here. Okay, like this. Currency has been changed. Okay, let's go back to my coins. Okay, before here it was showing USD, and now it's showing this NZD. Okay, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it.